This video tutorial I will explain what is Spring Boot. Imagine you want to build a treehouse in your backyard. You have wood, nails, tools and a bunch of other things you need. But putting it all together will be a complex task or a big task. Now what if you had a magical kit that not only provided all the materials you need but also had the step-by-step instruction on how to build the treehouse. That is the kind of what Spring Boot does for building the software. Spring Boot is like a super handy toolkit for creating computer programs. For example, websites, apps and more. Just like the Treehouse kit, Spring Boots give you everything you need to start building your software project right away. Spring Boot provides pre-made pieces of code, tools and a set of rules to follow. This means you don't have to start from the scratch every time you want to build the new software. Imagine you want to make a website with the Spring Boot. You don't have to worry about setting up all the basic stuff like connecting to the database, handling web requests, and managing security. It is like Spring Boot already knows how to do all these things and gives you a head start. So whether you are a beginner or experienced developer, Spring Boot helps you to create your software projects faster and with less hassle. It is like having magical kit that takes care of a lot of complicated stuff. So you can focus on making your software work the way you want it to. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.